Welcome to today's debate. Should minors be allowed to vote? Let's hear from our debaters. With Erica, familiar with the topic, and Rain in the anti side.
I'm Erica Manuel, and to open this debate, my opening statement is I think minors should most definitely be allowed to vote because most of the minors in our generation tend to root for the better candidates. Most minors in this generation tend to do more research than actual voters nowadays. They tend to care more on how the country's future will be, not focusing on the bribes that candidates use to gaslight people into thinking they have a good intention.
Okay, my name is Sri Antoinette L. Billiones and I'm in the anti-side. Okay, I think minors should not be allowed to vote because they may lack the maturity, life experience, and understanding of complex political issues required to make informed decisions that impact the future of society. In addition, there is a concern that allowing minors to vote should be potentially influenced by external factors, such as parents, teachers, or peers who may inadvertently or deliberately sway their decision. Political systems typically aim to ensure that votes are cast based on personal understanding and independent judgment, which may not always be possible in younger individuals who are still developing their views on complex political, social, and economic issues. Furthermore, there is a long-standing tradition in democratic societies that voting is an adult responsibility, and changing this could involve a significant shift in how rights and responsibilities are distributed across age groups.
Okay, for the rebuttal, I agree that minors can lack in maturity, life experience, and understanding, but I think that's what research is for. As I said earlier, minors tend to do more research than the actual voters. Minors are also aware because of how schools teach them about the political histories of the countries. Most teenagers nowadays are already aware on who the better candidates and politicians are, and that's why I think minors should be allowed to vote.
Many minors are still in the process of developing critical thinking skill and may not yet have the capacity to fully grasp the nuance of political discourse. Their exposure to the world is limited, and they may not yet understand the full range of consequences that political decisions can have on various aspects of life, such as the economy, international relation, and public policy. Furthermore, their view might be more heavily influenced by external factors such as parents, peers, or popular media rather than through the independent rational thought.
Most of the minors in our generation already finalized on who they think the better candidates and politicians are. And honestly, because of research, they tend to pick the better candidates and politicians. They care about how the future of the country is going to be after they create a vote, which most of the voters nowadays do not think about.
Minors, particularly in the age groups typically considered too young to vote, may lack the independence needed to make decisions that aren't influenced by external pressure or immediate emotional impulses. The decision to vote should be a reflection of personal judgment and understanding, not a decision swayed by short term desire or influenced by individuals who may not have the long-term perspective necessary for effectiveness, participation, in democratic processes.
I'm not saying all minors should be allowed to vote because I agree that 12 and under are way too young to vote, especially to choose for the political future of the country. But what I'm trying to say is we should lower down the age limit to 13. Many teenagers are already aware of what's happening in our country, let alone our country that's most especially filled with corruption.
So, for closing statement, in conclusion, the restriction on minors voting is rooted in the belief that young people may not yet possess the maturity, life experience, or legal autonomy necessary to make fully informed decisions that affect the entire society. Voting is a significant responsibility, and ensuring that voters have a clear understanding of the issues and consequences of their choices helps maintain a functioning democracy. Allowing only adults to vote ensures that those with the legal and societal maturity required are the ones determining the direction of governance.
To close this debate, I think minors should most definitely be allowed to vote. Minors are way more knowledgeable compared to actual voters nowadays, choosing the rightful politicians and candidates for a better future for our country.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Join the conversation in the comments below. Should minors be allowed to vote? Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next one. Goodbye.